Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can remove your Gmail account from YouTube. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the YouTube app on your device. Now, once the YouTube app opens up on your device, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on your profile option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, click on this arrow option. Now, a pop-up will appear on your screen. A sign out button should appear on the bottom left corner of that pop-up. As you can see on my screen, the sign out button hasn't appeared. If you're having that problem, I have a solution for you. So firstly, open up the settings menu on your phone. Once the settings menu opens up on your phone, scroll down and find the apps option and then find the manage apps option, which will guide you to this page. Now on this page, let it fully load and then search for YOUTUBE and open it up. Now what you have to do is click on this clear data option on the bottom right corner of your screen and then click on the clear all data option and then click on OK. Now let's check if the sign out button has appeared. So open up your YouTube app again. Let it load. Once your YouTube app opens up, click on the profile option on the top right corner of your screen and then click on the arrow option. And as you can see on my screen, the sign out button has appeared. Now for you to remove your Gmail account, all you have to do is click on that sign out button. And there you have it. The Gmail account has been removed from YouTube. I hope this video helped you to remove your Gmail account from YouTube. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.